Good morning. I'm John Carter with Wixon Jewelers, and welcome back to 1 Minute Watch, where we showcase cool and collectible watches in under 60 seconds. Today, we will showcase a 2016 Rolex Day-Date 40, reference number 228235. Wearing a Day-Date is a symbol of power and success. These elegant timepieces have graced the wrist of influential figures and dignitaries since 1956, including President Johnson and President Kennedy, which is how it's got its nickname, the President. Dating to 2016, this modern Day-Date features a 40mm case crafted in Everose gold with a chocolate dial and a characteristic and rolled link President bracelet. The combination of the rich chocolate-colored dial against the warm pink gold presents an entirely different look over the more commonly seen yellow gold model. The dial is adorned with deconstructed Roman numerals that are minutely faceted and applied to the dial by hand. A perfect accent to the fluted bezel, these deconstructed Roman numerals come to life as light reflects off the faceted indices. Characterized by its date display at 12 o'clock and date aperture at 3 o'clock, the Rolex Day-Date showcases a luxurious yet approachable style. All right, folks, well, it looks like we're out of time for today. If I've left out anything special, please leave it in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more 1 Minute Watch reviews.